Hello everyone. In this video, we'll create user edit profile page. So first I want to add some field to user table. So open your terminal and run rows g migration add field to user website string bio text. So I will add two fields to user table. G stands for generate, right? Okay, and run. Then run rows db migrate to migrate our migration. So back to our project, open app, controller, application controllers, and in here we add website bio. Okay, save it. So that device will permit these three fields: names, website, and bio. Okay. So in your profile page, you should see your edit profile button in here. But when you go to other user profile page, you shouldn't see this button. Okay. For example, if you go to user number 4, you shouldn't see this button. Okay. You only see this button when you go to your profile page. Okay. Now let's fix that. Open view, user, show, and in here I write if user equal current users. We will display these two lines. Tap, tap, save, refresh. We go to other people profile page. Yeah, that should disappear. Now let's change this button to link to the edit profile page. So this button we should write like this: link to edit profile, and the link we use is edit user registration path. Last, we copy this. Copy, paste. So this path is a default device path to edit user information. So you can always find this in using rows route. So you see that this is edit user registration, and we add path. We add path to the path. So we got edit user registration path. Okay, and delete this one. Save it. Now when you click this link, you should go to the default device edit user page. Yeah, it looks so ugly. So the default behavior of device is when you update anything in here, you have to write your password to confirm. But for users using their social account to sign up, they have no password. We generate a random password for them. So we can bypass the password requirement when we edit user account by doing this. Back to our project and open the route file. So config router.b, and in here you write registrations, and you create a new controllers, new file, registrations controller.rb. So actually device has a tutorial page for allow user to edit account without providing password. So you can see that they have a controller, registration controller here. So we will copy this, copy, and paste it in here, save it. But notice that this way of using this method does not allow the user to change his password, so don't worry. Okay, now let's edit the edit profile page. So the inside device, registration, edit. So we'll customize this page so that it could look better. So from this form, div.row.edit profile wrapper. Inside we have two columns, div.call sm3. We call this left column, and another column sm9 right column. Alright, so inside here I will use this group and a class list group item, list group item action. Here is edit profile, and another one, actually I will copy from here, the logout, copy and paste it right up here. So that's for the left column, and the right column is the form. So I will copy this form and paste it in here. So in here we would use render share device mess. This should be. And so first I will print out user avatar, div.row username image, div.call sm3 text right, image tag, avatar URL, users with 38, hey 38, class raw image, and in here another column div.call sm9, and I'm going to print out, user actually name, user.name. Okay, save it, and below is a form for the username, div.formGroup.row, print out after label, name, class, call sm3, call form label, text right, on weight bold, div.call sm9, f.text field name, focus true, autofocus true, class form control, call sm9. And we have the same for website and bio. This is for website, another one for bio. So this should be website, bio. So next we have the email. This should be form group row, label email, class, call sm3, call form, label, text right. Well, actually this exact like this. I'll copy it. Copy, paste, and remove this. And div.call sm9, cut this, paste in here, tap inside, autofocus. Oh, we have a lot of autofocus here. should only one autofocus. And delete this. Okay. Only name, the first one is autofocus. This should be class. Form control, call SM9. So for the password, we have from group row, and this class is the same as this. Copy, paste. Okay. And about this, okay, just leave it there. div.call_sm9. We copy this to here, tab inside, autocomplete off, class, from control, call sm9. And we have another class is placeholder, and we'll cut this inside. Leave blank if you don't want to change it. Alright, so this thing will just delete it. Okay. And finally, for password confirmation, for group row, label password confirmation, and the class is the same as the row. Copy, paste, and delete this. div.call sm9. Cut, paste, and here we have class, from control, call sm9. Save it. And for the current password, we could delete it. We no longer need it. And for action, we have the same way. For group row, here we have div.call sm3, just an empty one, empty column. div.call sm9, and this we paste inside. Submit. This should be updated. Okay. Class btn primary. Okay, so the rest we could delete it. Now let's see what we got. Okay, we have to check that the password section. Okay, remove this, and let's see. Okay, it's looking pretty good now. So now we will working on the CSS part. Open access, Daishi, application, SSS, scroll to the bottom, and let's write some CSS, some funky CSS. So for edit, profile wrapper, margin pixel 00, and starting left column, order on pixel. Well, actually this is left. Okay. Border on pixel solid, db heading 0, background color white, and inside left group we have list, group item, border none, color 262626, border radius 0, font size 16 pixel, border left 2 pixel, solid, transparent. we have the list group item for the first child. For the first child, for the weight, bowl, for the left, colors, 2626. That means this is being highlighted. Well, later when we run this, you'll see its effect. This group item, no. First try, hover. So when we hover the item which is not active, we should change this border to db. Save it. And let's run it. Okay, cool. So you see, when we hover the item which is not active, it should change the background and the border in the left. And the first item is highlighted, the full width bowl, and the border is highlighted. Okay. So now let's working on the right column. Right column T. Oh, we're missing the T. Border 1 pixel, solid, db. The left, none. Our color, white. Username, image. Margin 32 pixel, 0. Call SM9. Font size 20 pixel. Font weight 400. Line height 20 pixel. And we're starting for the form group. Font size 16 pixel. Save it. Now let's run it. Okay, looking good. Let's try to change something. Name is strong long. Update. Okay, your account has been updated. Strong long, right? Our name is updated. Okay, so that's it for this video. See you guys next time.